Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video only here on Talk Guy. So for today, I'm going to show you how you can post or create a YouTube short step-by-step process. So let's go and upload a video. So from here, what you want to do is you want to go to YouTube Studio. Afterwards, this is your YouTube Studio right here. Go to Shorts, click on Upload Videos, select your file. Now, of course, there are required sizes here for you to be able to better install or upload a short video. But for now, we're going to stick with this one. So same process, you add in the details of the video, if it's made for kids or if it's not made for kids. Then next, you can add an end screen, add subtitles, add cards, checks for copyrights. Then you can either save or publish private or unlisted, and then just click on save. If you click on private, automatically that would post it already on your channel's content. But for now, we're going to stick with a private account. So now it's uploading. Once it's uploaded, you can edit it as well using the YouTube Studio editor. Or you can also change up the details that you have inputted. So for example, we didn't input any details earlier. We can input it again here by doing this. Now it's finished uploading. Process will begin shortly. All right, so it's just processing the video. Video upload complete. Yeah, so once that's done, this is what it's gonna look like. And then you're just gonna click on this one. And then what you want to do here is you can now add descriptions if you didn't add earlier. You can also upload thumbnail, or you can auto generate it like so. At the same time, you can also edit it like this one in the editor. And that's it. Hopefully, I was able to help you out on this. If I did, please, of course, do hit the like and subscribe button. And we will see you again on another video only here on Talk Guy.